Today we have a Maine cabin on 41 acres with its own pond, huge new garage, and direct trail access for $379,000. Today we are in Brownville, Maine at 122 Soares Road, and I am going to walk you through why this place is such a good Northwoods retreat. Stick around to the end because the garage and land setup out back are what really make this property stand out. First, the basics. This is a single-family home built in 1995 with about 1,452 square feet of living space. You get 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and a layout that is set up for comfortable year-round living. The taxes are only $2,377 a year, which is very reasonable for 41 acres and your own private pond. The cabin sits back off the dirt road for privacy. When you pull in, you get that classic Maine feel right away: log and wood siding, metal roof, wooded surroundings, and a cleared yard area that opens up to the land behind you. It really feels like your own little Northwoods compound. Inside, the main floor is designed to be practical and easy to live in. You have a first floor primary bedroom that has been expanded and improved, so you are not trying to climb stairs every night if you do not want to. There is a new laundry room and walk-in closet, an updated bathroom with a simple shower setup, and a mudroom entry so you are not tracking snow and mud into the living space. The custom kitchen gives you plenty of cabinet space, a gas range, refrigerator, and vinyl flooring that is easy to clean. A cozy wood stove ties the main living area together and gives you that off-grid cabin vibe, but you still have baseboard and radiator heat, plus circuit breakers and a whole house generator for backup. So even when the weather gets rough, you can relax knowing everything will keep running. Head upstairs and you get a huge second bedroom and loft-style great room. Fresh flooring and trim are being added, and there is a ton of space up here for guests, bunk beds, or gear room for hunting, fishing, and riding equipment. It is the kind of flexible space you can set up exactly how you want it. And then there is the new garage. Built in 2025, this is a commercial-sized, fully insulated, heated garage with 2 overhead doors. It has a custom stone chimney with a wood stove, concrete floor, and room for trucks, ATVs, snowmobiles, a workshop, or all of the above. There are also extra outbuildings on the property for even more storage. So whether you want a hunting base camp, an ATV and snowmobile hub, or just a quiet Maine getaway with serious privacy and room to roam, 122 Soares Road checks a lot of boxes. If you want more details or to see current photos and pricing, check the link in the description. And if you enjoy tours of unique rural properties like this one, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you use this place more for hunting, riding, or just unplugging and relaxing by the pond?